Have you ever struggled to find the right image for your task, unsure of its location or whether it's the most up-to-date version? Searching for images each time can be frustrating, time-consuming, and distracting from the work at hand. But it doesn't have to be this way. That's where the Image Chooser comes in, a centralized hub that gives you instant access to all your organization's images, no matter the task or application. With the Image Chooser add-in for Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, and Word, users can seamlessly connect to their organization's image libraries through single sign-on with their Microsoft 365 account. Once signed in, you can effortlessly browse and insert a variety of image formats, including JPG, PNG, SVG, and GIF. Inserting an image is as easy as a click, with the selected image appearing precisely where your cursor is placed. You can also mark favorites for quick access, use advanced search features to locate images by name or metadata, and create multiple libraries to organize images by department, ensuring users have access to the right visuals. These powerful features extend across all Image Chooser add-ins and apps. In Outlook, the Image Chooser add-in simplifies email creation by enabling users to insert PNG, JPG, and GIF files directly into the email body or attach SVG files with a single click, perfect for crafting visually appealing emails or attaching the right branded visual. For OneNote users, the Image Chooser add-in makes it simple to insert the right organizational image, enhancing every note with clear, impactful visuals. Organizations using Frontify can seamlessly integrate their curated images, allowing users to insert brand-approved visuals directly into documents, presentations, or emails without leaving the app. Need an image that's not in your library? The Image Chooser integrates with Unsplash and Pixabay, providing access to a wide range of high-quality, royalty-free images to complement your work. If you want your users to consistently use the latest branded images across any task or application, ensuring better brand consistency, the Image Chooser is the app you need.